to do a chaine drill, and I really like to use this to work on placement. I think that's something a lot of dancers tend to struggle with. So we are going to start, in the first position you're going to hit is a low second position. Then she's gonna rotate from here around and two to step back, side, front. And the one thing I want you to really focus on when you're doing that is you get a lot of upper body movement on that back side front. So we want to try to keep that all very stable, really thinking about pressing the shoulders down, lifting up through the head, squeezing the belly, and staying nice and low. Something a lot of dancers tend to do is stick their booties out like this. We want to make sure we are keeping that tucked under and keeping our alignment from our head all the way down through our hips in a nice straight line.